Breaking the sound barrier, unlock the secrets of Thai pronunciation. Hello, hello. I'm Cody, and welcome to Sound Adventures with Thai. Have you ever tried ordering pad Thai in a restaurant and gotten that polite smile that means nice try? Don't worry, I've been there too. You know, when I first heard Thai spoken, I was completely lost. All those musical tones and unfamiliar sounds felt impossible. But here's the thing, I discovered that breaking down those sounds into bite-sized pieces made everything click. And today, I'm going to share those secrets with you. Think about it, learning to speak Thai isn't just about memorizing words. It's about training your mouth to make new shapes and your ears to hear new sounds. It's like being a music detective, discovering hidden notes that make the language sing. Did you know that some Thai letters that look totally foreign actually make sounds you already know? And others that look familiar might trick you with unexpected pronunciations? Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of Thai consonants and vowels. I'll show you which sounds are just like English, there are more than you think, and which ones need a little special attention. We'll practice together with real Thai words you can use right away. The best part? By the end of our session, you'll be able to say several Thai phrases with confidence. Imagine the smile on a Thai person's face when you greet them in a language not with awkward tourist pronunciation, but with sounds that actually make sense. So, are you ready to unlock the secret code of Thai pronunciation? Let's jump right in and start our sound adventure together. Breaking the sound barrier, unlock the secrets of Thai pronunciation. Hey there, language adventurers. I'm Cody, and I'm absolutely thrilled to be your guide on this exciting journey into the musical world of Thai language. Have you ever heard Thai spoken and thought, wow, that sounds beautiful, but how on earth do I make those sounds? Well, today we're going to crack that code together. Think of me as your friendly neighborhood sound detective. We're going to investigate those mysterious Thai consonants and vowels that might seem intimidating at first but will soon become your trusted friends. Today's headline, Demystifying Thai Sounds, your passport to authentic communication. Let's dive right in. First, some good news, several Thai consonants will feel like old friends because they sound just like they do in English. B, D, F, H, K, L, M, N, S, W. Go ahead and say those out loud, you already know how to pronounce them. How awesome is that? You're already on your way. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Some Thai consonants have sounds that differ from English, and I want to let you in on a little secret. Mastering these unique sounds is what will make you sound like a true local. The tricky consonants. Let's tackle these special sounds. P, this isn't your regular English P. Imagine it's caught somewhere between P and B. When Thai people say po, meaning father, it's a harder sound than our English P. Try putting your hand in front of your mouth, you should feel a stronger burst of air. PH, now this might surprise you. In Thai, when you see PH, it's pronounced as a clear P like in pat or pencil, not as F like in phone. For example,
ผลไม้
meaning fruit starts with a clean P sound. T, similar to our special P, the Thai T lives in a sound world between T and D. When saying
เตา
meaning stove, it's harder than the English T in table. TH, just like with PH, when you see TH in Thai, pronounce it as a regular T like in table, not like TH in thanks. The word
ทะเล
meaning sea begins with a simple T sound. G, in Thai, this consonant has a harder edge than in English, somewhere between our G and K. The word
กล้วย
meaning banana starts with this harder G sound. J, the Thai J has a more forceful quality than the English version. When saying
จมูก
meaning nose, make your J sound extra crisp. R, here's a fun one. In formal Thai, this is slightly rolled, but in everyday speech, most Thais pronounce it as L. So,
รัก
meaning love often sounds more like lack in casual conversation. Ing, unlike English, this sound can start words in Thai, not just end them. Try saying
งู
Meaning snake, your tongue touches the roof of your mouth at the back, just like at the end of sing, but at the beginning of the word.
พ่อ 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 ผลไม้ 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 เต่า 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 ทะเล 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 กล้วย 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 จมูก 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 รัก 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 งู งู งู
The Vowel Symphony. Now, let's explore the colorful world of Thai vowels. Thai has a rich variety of vowel sounds that give the language its melodic quality. Some might be new to your ears, but I promise they'll become second nature with practice. First, let's clear up a couple of potential misunderstandings. The letter A in Thai is pronounced all like in father, not the short A in cat. So when you say
บ้าน
meaning house, it sounds like bon, not like the English word ban. Similarly, a single O in Thai has the O sound like in go. The word
โต๊ะ
meaning table is pronounced toe, similar to the start of total. Let's go through some essential vowel sounds. Like in father. Example.
มา
Meaning come sounds like ma. I, between I and say and in met. Example.
เค้ก
Meaning cake has this sound. A, like A in cat. Example.
แม่
Meaning mother sounds similar to ma in man. E, like E in met. Example.
เด็ก
Meaning child has this short E sound. E, like E in C. Example.
นี่
Meaning this sounds like knee. I, like I in bit. Example.
มิด
Meaning tide has this short I sound. AI, like I in Thai. Example.
ใจ
Meaning heart sounds like the word sigh. Ah, like ah in saw. Example.
จอ
Meaning screen has this sound. Oh, like O in coat. Example.
โอ
Meaning O, sounds like O. You, like you in but. Example.
ดุ
Meaning fierce has this short U sound. Ooh, like O in boot. Example.
ดู
Meaning to watch sounds like do. EU, this one's unique. Make the sound of good while smiling. Example.
เกือบ
Meaning almost contains this sound. You, like you in love. Example.
เลิก
Meaning to quit has this sound.
มา 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 เค้ก 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 แม่ 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 เด็ก 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 นี่ 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 มิด 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 ใจ 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 จอ 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 โอ 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 ดุ 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 ดู 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 เกือบ 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 เลิก เลิก เลิก
the magical vowel combinations. Now for some real linguistic fun, Thai combines vowels to create smooth, flowing sounds that give the language its beautiful melody. Ao combines A plus O, like in how. Example.
เขา
Meaning he, she sounds like cow. Oi combines A plus EE. Example.
โอย
Meaning ouch, sounds just like it looks. Oi combines O plus EE, like in Chloe. Example.
โอย
Meaning oh my, has this sound. Yo combines I plus O, like in mayo. Example.
เรียว
Meaning slender contains this sound. Ayo combines AE plus O. Example.
แมว
Meaning cat has this fascinating combination. IA combines EE plus A, like in Pia. Example.
เมีย
Meaning wife sounds a bit like Mo. Io combines EE plus O, like in Leo. Example.
ริโอ
Meaning Rio has this sound. IU combines EE plus OO, like in Mew. Example.
หิว
Meaning hungry sounds like Hiu. UA combines OO plus A, like in Kalua. Example.
ตัว
Meaning body has this sound. UI combines OO plus EE, like in Louis. Example.
กุย
Meaning a type of fish sounds like gooey. UAE combines OO plus I plus EE, ending with a very short EE. Example.
ควาย
Meaning buffalo has this combination. EUA combines EU plus A. Example.
เสือ
Meaning tiger features this unique sound. EUE combines U plus EE. Example.
เลย
Meaning past or beyond has this sound. EUAE combines EUA plus I plus EE, also ending with a very short EE. Example.
เหงื่อ
Meaning sweat is pronounced with this complex combination.
เขา 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 โอย 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 เรียว 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 แมว 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 เมีย 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 ริโอ 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 หิว 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 ตัว 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 กุย 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 ควาย 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 เสือ 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 เลย 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 เหงื่อ เหงื่อ เหงื่อ
Bringing it all together. Now, let's see how these sounds come together in everyday Thai phrases.
สวัสดีครับค่ะ
Hello, for men or women, the sounds are all pronounced all like in father, not the short A in English.
ขอบคุณครับค่ะ
Thank you, for men or women, notice how the O in KO-op is the A sound, like in saw.
อร่อยมาก
Very delicious in casual speech, many Thais would say a lo I mock because of that R to L shift we talked about. You know what's amazing? Every time you practice these sounds, you're actually rewiring your brain to recognize and produce new patterns. That's right, you're literally building new neural pathways right now. Learning Thai isn't just about communication, it's a powerful brain workout too. Your Thai sound adventure begins. My fellow language explorers, today we just scratched the surface of Thai pronunciation, but you've already taken that crucial first step. Remember, mastering these sounds isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Every time you practice, you're getting closer to speaking Thai with authentic flavor. The beautiful thing about language learning is that it connects us. When you make the effort to speak someone's language, even imperfectly, you're building bridges of understanding and respect. Each Thai word you pronounce is a handshake across cultures. I want you to leave here today with this thought: the sounds we've practiced aren't just linguistic curiosities, they're keys that unlock doors to new friendships, deeper cultural understanding, and experiences you can't even imagine yet. So, keep listening, keep practicing, and most importantly, don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's where the real learning happens. The next time you meet a Thai speaker, surprise them with a confident
สวัสดี
I promise you'll see their face light up with appreciation. Your Thai language journey has officially begun, and I can't wait to see where it takes you.
ขอบคุณครับ
Thank you all. Hey friends! Cody here, wrapping up our sound adventure. Wow, what a journey through pronunciation we've had today. Remember, learning a new language is like building a house, you need a solid foundation. And that foundation? It's the sounds. What we covered today, those consonants that are similar to English, those that are different, and all those beautiful vowels and combinations, these are your building blocks. Now, let me tell you a secret to success. The brain learns through repetition. So come back to this video again and again. Practice these sounds while driving, in the shower, or waiting in line. Listen, pause, repeat. Your mouth muscles need training just like any other muscle. And don't worry about making mistakes. Every mistake is actually a step forward. When I first started learning, I made sounds that made locals laugh. But that laughter turned into friendships and deeper connections. What we learned today isn't just about making sounds, it's about opening doors. When you speak to someone in their language, even imperfectly, you're showing respect. You're saying, your culture matters to me. Friends, I'm on a mission to help you speak naturally and confidently. But I need your help to keep creating these lessons. If you found value in today's video, please hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications by clicking the bell, and share with friends who might be interested in this language journey. With your support, I can keep making content that bridges cultures and helps you communicate like a local. Remember, every great journey begins with a single sound. Thank you for joining me today. See you in our next language adventure.